Hello, this is Good Health, Good Life. I use this opportunity to welcome you back to my channel. This channel, it's all about healthy living. I have some nice organic mangoes over here. Studies have revealed that mango is rich in lot of nutrients and antioxidants. Mango has vitamin C and fiber in it, which helps in boosting the body's immunity, and it also promotes digestive health, that is preventing constipation. For you not to waste your mango, it is advisable for you to prepare your own homemade mango juice and mango ice cream. It is very easy for you to do this. I always keep telling you that to be sure of what you are eating, you must prepare your own food and drinks at home. So follow this channel and watch this video to the end as I take you through the easiest way to make mango juice. The ingredients that I'm going to use for the preparation of the mango juice and mango ice cream are organic mangoes. The quantity you'll be using depends on the quantity of the juice and the ice cream you want. The water I'm going to use is lemongrass water. I just boiled lemongrass and the water is what I'm going to use, and it's going to add flavor to the juice. I am also going to add blended ginger, then a tin of milk. So quickly, let's start the process. Now, the first thing you are going to do when preparing the juice is wash the mango thoroughly. Then after washing, you peel the skin off the mango and slice it into small pieces, as I have done. And this is 100% organic mango, so this is my sliced mango. So from here, I'm going to transfer everything into my blender. Before you start this whole process, make sure you wash your hand as well. After transferring my sliced mango into the blender jar, I'm going to add my lemongrass water to it. With the quantity I'm making, I'm adding 500 ml of the water. And the reason why I'm adding it to it is to ease blending. So from here, I'm going to blend it. After blending, I will pass the blended mango juice through a strainer. Then I will still add my lemongrass water. So for the juice to strain, I have to use the spoon to stir it because the mango juice is very thick. Alright, so from here I will transfer my blended, and I'm also going to pass it through the strainer. Just added my lemongrass water to it. So you press it very well to extract the water. Alright, so after draining, this is what I have. Then you mix it together with the mango juice. It looks so delicious, so delicious. I will add the milk, and then I will stir. Stir it well for uniform mixture of the juice. Someone will ask if I'm going to add sugar to it. No, I'm not adding sugar to the juice because it's already sweet. Mango has natural sugar, and when you use the organic mango, the sweetness is still there. Add my lemongrass water because my juice is too thick. So you are going to add the water until you get your desired thickness. So this is very easy to prepare. During your weekends, you can prepare this, and don't let any mango go waste again. Alright, so the juice is ready now, and what I'm going to do is I'll be transferring it into my ice cream cup. So I'm going to add my ice cream stick. Alright, so from here I'm going to put it into the deep freezer, and it will be there for at least 5 to 8 hours. After 7 hours of refrigerating, this is what I have. My mango ice cream is ready. So here it is. So it's very simple for each and every one of you to prepare this ice cream. So do well, get enough of the mango, and then prepare the mango ice cream or the juice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, then try and share it with all your family and friends. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe. Until I see you in my next episode, try and eat healthy meals, engage in physical exercise, and always visit the hospital to check your medical status. Peace.